Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to discuss this chapter, If I Were You With You, which is written by Douglas James. So, this chapter, If I Were You, is a drama, and the drama is what? The drama is a dialogue which is written between two persons. So, let us start. So, the story reflects on human quality, intelligence, and cleverness, are best friends of people, and with its help they can tackle the worst situations and overcome them. Intelligent people always achieve success in whatever they do, and cleverness helps them manage the difficult situations of their life and save any damage they may suffer, including life. Such people are fortunate in the world because they live by intelligence and cleverness. So, what is the theme of this chapter? According to the writer, one needs to act in an intelligent way at the time of crisis. One needs to be bold, and the presence of mind is always essential in the time of crisis. And in this play, Gerard, who is the main character, he uses his presence of mind and outplays the intruder. During the talks, he learned the intention of the intruder. Gerard smartly concocts a story to outwit the intruder. The sense of the humor often helps us as shown in the play. Gerard outsmarts the intruder to trap him in his own net. So by this, we are introduced about the two main characters of the story, that is Gerard, who is a playwright by profession, and the another character, Intruder, who is a criminal and who specializes in stealing jewelry. And he intrudes into the cottage of Gerard to kill him and to take on his identity. So there is a hidden message in this chapter, and what is that message? That we should face the critical situations boldly, and if we are intelligent and clever, we can handle any critical situation. Besides, we also need patience to reach at the depth of situations, which include the way to come out. A patient listener and observer can get a clue to the problems. Thus, throughout the conversation, we should remain alert and exposed to the situation. Now, what about the title justification? Is the title suitable for the story? Yes, it is. The whole play revolves around the intruder only, and he wants to adopt the identity of Gerard, who is a playwright. But Gerard is an intelligent and clever person, and with the help of his wit, Gerard fails the intruder plan to kill him. And if the intruder had killed Gerard, he would be living like him. As Gerard is more intelligent, he traps the intruder in his fabricated story, and his desire to live as Gerard after killing him remains unfulfilled. Thus, the title is appropriate. Now, here in this chapter, we need to know in detail about this character, that is Gerard. So, Gerard, let us know little more details about this character, Gerard. Gerard is a playwright and he lives in a small cottage. He lives alone. Thus, the intruder is a criminal and he intends to murder Gerard and take on his identity. Gerard is gifted with a very sharp and analytical mind, and he understands the intention of the intruder and beats him in his own game. When the intruder broke into his cottage, Gerard was preparing to go out for the rehearsal of his new play. The intruder comes prepared. He tells Gerard of his smart plan. Killing him and taking on his identity will bring freedom for him. And Gerard outwits him by telling a false story. He declares that he himself is a murderer and the police is after him. The intruder will gain nothing by killing him, nor will he gain anything by taking on his identity. And he will be hanged to death as Vincent Charles Gerard. This confuses the intruder, and he unwittingly steps into the cupboard, which is soon locked from outside. And the police is called and the criminal is arrested. Gerard has the last laugh, and not only he saves himself but also gets the cunning intruder arrested by the police. So this is all about the chapter, and last two slides of mine, they are having some questions which you need to write in your notebook. First slide tells us about the text questions, whereas I have compiled some of the long answer type questions which need to be practiced by you. So thank you so much for joining.